As a data analyst, data cleaning is an integral part of your data analysis. So before you start carrying out any sort of data analysis, you need to ensure that your data is properly cleaned. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 shortcuts that can help your data analysis clean up seamless and easy. As you can see here, we have a very messy data set. A lot of content on this data set are not properly fitted into either the columns or the rows. So the first shortcut we're going to be using today is the Alt-HY function. But before then, the first thing you want to do is you want to place your mouse on any part of your cell and do Ctrl-A to highlight on all the part of your cell. As you can see, everything has been highlighted on. Then please, this is the mistake a lot of people used to do. They always press Alt plus H plus. You are not pressing it together. You are pressing them one after the other. You're pressing the shortcut keys one after the other. So first off, I'm going to click on the Alt key, and it will activate all of my shortcut keys. Then next, I'm going to press H, and then next O, and then next I. What that will do is that will automatically fit in all the content into the column. So the next shortcut is the Alt. Click on Alt, H, O, A. That will automatically fit in everything properly into the rows. As you can see, there are no unnecessary spaces between our rows anymore. This is a very important shortcut that automatically just gets your data set looking very, very good. If you've not followed at this point, remember to hit that follow button, like this video, save for later. The shortcut we're going to be using is going to be used to split out this particular column. So I am going to highlight on column B, and then I'm going to insert 2 columns to the right. Insert columns to the right. I'm also going to repeat the same steps here. I'll insert another column to the right. So for here, I'm going to come in here, and type in Amara and press enter, and then I'm going to press Ctrl-E on my laptop. I will automatically pick whatever it is I want to do. As you can see, that's splitted Amara, Bello, Chiamaka, and I'll repeat the same step for this one as well. So I'll come in here and type in Okonkwo and press enter, and then I'll do Ctrl-E on my laptop, and that will automatically help me fill the remaining cells. As you can see, everything has been filled from top to bottom. The next shortcut I'm going to be showing you today is going to help us identify any duplicates. So it's very essential to get rid of duplicates on your data set. I know everything looks like there are no duplicates yet, but if you look at it closely, you're going to realize that there are actually some duplicates. For instance, Chiamaka Eze was repeated 2 times and so on, but don't worry, we're going to identify the duplicates now. So how do you identify the duplicates? Select on any part of your cell and click on Alt, A, and M, and that will help you identify all the duplicates that are there. And then I'll click on remove duplicates. I'll get rid of, see, 3 duplicates, values found and removed, 15 unique values remaining. So that automatically gives you a clean data set with no duplicates. Next function we're going to be using today is going to help us find any sort of inconsistency in our data set. As you can see in the status column J, you will see that some of the actives were written or misspelled the wrong way. So how do you get rid of that? We're going to be using the Ctrl-H to open up this interface, and I'm going to type in, I wanted to find anywhere, so we want all in proper casing, meaning we want only the beginning, only the first letter to be in upper casing. So I'm going to say find anywhere you find active. So I'm going to type in the wrongly written one, so there's active, and then I'll say replace where you find active, replace it with active. I'll write the exact one I want it to find, and then I'll replace all. It has identified and replaced 15 matches. I'll click close, and you'll see everywhere where we had the active written the wrong way has been corrected. Also for the inactive, I'm going to do again Ctrl-H to find. So wherever you find inactive, I'll say correct it with inactive the right way, and then I'll click on replace all, and you see 5